In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a stock on Robinhood. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the app, placing an order, and knowing a few helpful options to tailor your purchase. Start by opening the Robinhood app and using the search bar at the top. Type the company's name or its ticker symbol and pick the result that matches what you're looking for. If you're not sure about the exact ticker, searching by name is fine. Just double check the listing before you proceed. It's a good idea to confirm you have enough buying power available, which you'll see in your account, so you're not surprised at checkout. Once you tap the correct result, you'll land on the stock's detail page. Here you can review the price chart, recent news, key stats, and analyst information. Take a moment to verify it's the right company and glance at whether the market is currently open, since that affects how fast your order fills. A quick look at the day's price movement can also give you context before you buy. When you're ready, tap Trade, then select Buy. This takes you to the order screen. If the app prompts you with a quick disclosure or confirmation, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Next, choose how you want to purchase, fractional shares or whole shares. Fractional shares let you invest a dollar amount, sometimes as low as $1, so you can start small or invest a specific budget. If you choose whole shares, you'll be buying complete units of the stock. Note that fractional availability can vary by stock, so if you don't see the option, that's normal for some companies. Enter the amount you want to invest. If you're buying by dollars, the app will show you an estimated number of shares based on the current price. If you're buying whole shares, enter the quantity you want. Take a second to double check that the amount aligns with your plan and that you're comfortable with the potential price movement. Before you finalize, review your order details carefully. You'll see the estimated cost, the order type, and an overview of what will happen once you submit. When everything looks right, swipe to submit your order. If the market is open, market orders typically fill quickly. If it's closed, your order may process when trading resumes. You can monitor the status under your portfolio or the stocks page. If you want more control or consistency, consider optional features like recurring investments, which automate your buys on a schedule, or limit orders, which allow you to set the maximum price you're willing to pay. Those tools can help you stick to a strategy and manage your entries more precisely.